A few days ago I posted this TikTok and got a lot of comments about my teeth.
Corvette, hop in the bed. Stop. What did I tell you about making those TikToks? Huh? I'm just watching a YouTube video. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, I gotta be nice and quiet for Daddy. Corvette, hop in the bed. I knew it! Daddy, don't hurt me!
You need to brush your teeth. Your teeth are so yellow. You need to go to the dentist.
And before I posted that TikTok, just by watching it, I knew I was going to get comments like that, because I know my teeth are yellow, but I brush my teeth twice a day. I've never had any cavities, and last time I went to the dentist, I asked her about them, and she said they're just naturally that color, and if I wanted, I could try Crest 3D Whitening Strips, which is what I'm going to do, and if those don't work, then I could go in for their special treatment. So the box I got says it removes over 15 years of stains, use once a day for 30 minutes, and I do it for a total of 14 days. The long one's for your top teeth, and this one's for your bottom teeth. And before I put them on, I'm going to show you guys what my teeth look like now. And whenever I'm filming, I always have a whole bunch of lights on, so they're always shinier on camera than they actually are in person, but they're still really yellow. So I got this paper towel here. I'm just gonna dry my teeth so they're not wet. Ah. Alright, I got hey, ha. Ah. So immediately, oh man, I can't speak now. There's still gunk in my... So immediately after I put them on, I noticed I started drooling. So that's why I went and laid down so my saliva would stay at the back of my mouth. But it's so uncomfortable having them on because I feel like if I like swallow or close my mouth, like it's like the things are gonna like come loose and start sliding around because of all the saliva. But I just kept my mouth So I just kept my mouth open the whole time. Anyways, that's it for day one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, we're on to day two. Still yellow. For the rest of the days, I'm probably just going to show me putting them on, taking them off, and then what my teeth look like after. These things are really annoying. Actually, they kind of do look whiter. It's probably just me, but these things are really annoying because my saliva gets in them and it like moves around. Like you could see the saliva in there, and I just feel like they're not working, but at the same time, I do feel like they're working because I'm not... forget it. Alright, so today's day 4, and yesterday I actually noticed that my teeth are a little bit whiter, and my mom even noticed it as well. They're not really white, but I've only used 3 strips, so they're doing pretty good. shiny. Here's the final day. They look way whiter than they did before. So I'm probably gonna put the video of me talking on the first day right beside me so you guys could see like the difference between my teeth, because they're way whiter now. Like when I'm just talking to someone from a distance now, they look way whiter than they did before. But if you look up close, the only thing that I don't like is that there's some spot that the strip didn't get because I didn't like push it in hard enough, or when I did push it in, it like didn't stick, it like kind of came off. Like right in between my teeth, there's still a little bit of yellow. But when I'm just talking to people like this, they're not gonna notice that. So in conclusion, if you guys are watching this video because you have yellow teeth and you want to whiten them, I would recommend getting Crest 3D whitening strips. Doesn't have to be this one necessarily, I'm sure they all do the same thing, but I'll put the link to these ones in the description below if you guys want to check them out. And yes, I highly recommend, because before my teeth were really yellow, and I mean, as you guys could probably tell just by watching the video, they like look way whiter now, and I'm really happy. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you go down and hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and thanks for watching.